Hello and welcome back to Real Life English. I'm Daniel, your guide to building confidence, clarity, and fluency one real conversation at a time. Today's episode is going to be packed with powerful ideas, so grab a notebook or just sit back and listen carefully. Why practice speaking alone? Let's face it, speaking English with others is not always easy. Maybe you don't have native speakers around you. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you're not ready for real conversations just yet. But that doesn't mean you can't become a great speaker. In fact, practicing English alone is one of the best ways to improve fast, without pressure, without fear, and without judgment. You're in control. You decide when to speak, what to say, and how often to repeat. And guess what? The more you do it, the more natural English becomes. That's what this episode is all about. I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful methods to practice speaking English alone. And as always, we'll use real phrases, natural expressions, and storytelling techniques to make it fun and easy. Let's dive in. 1. Talk to yourself out loud. This is the foundation. It might feel strange at first, but it's incredibly powerful. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, stretch, and say, "Okay, Daniel, today we're going to have a great day. Let's go make some coffee." You're narrating your life in English. This helps you build fluency because you're thinking and speaking in English. Some examples you can try. I'm brushing my teeth. I need to send an email before lunch. What should I cook for dinner? Try to speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about grammar mistakes. The goal is flow. Just get your words out. 2. Use a mirror, your secret speaking partner. Stand in front of a mirror, look yourself in the eyes, and speak. This adds emotional connection and builds confidence. You're not just talking, you're performing. Practice simple dialogues. "Hey, how was your day?" "Pretty good. I finished all my tasks." "Nice. Are you ready for tomorrow?" This also helps you notice body language and facial expressions. Speak with emotion, not like a robot. 3. Record yourself speaking. Use your phone, open a voice recording app, and just talk. You can tell a story from your life, describe your room, talk about your goals, then play it back. Listen carefully. Ask yourself, did I speak clearly? Did I use the right words? Where can I improve? This helps you track your progress and build self-awareness. 4. Shadow native speakers. Shadowing means you listen and repeat at the same time. Find a YouTube video, podcast, or movie clip. Listen to one sentence, pause, repeat it out loud. Try to match the rhythm, tone, and pronunciation. Great for improving your accent, learning natural phrasing, building listening and speaking skills together. Some good shadowing sources: TED Talks, English YouTube channels, Real Life English podcast. Wink, wink. 5. Create an English character. Sometimes we feel shy because we're ourselves. But what if you become someone else? Create a character. Maybe she's a travel blogger, or he's a chef. Give them a name, a story, a life. Then speak like that person. "Hi, I'm Emma. I just came back from Spain. Let me tell you about the food." Or, "Hello, I'm Marcus, a chef in New York. Today I made the best lasagna." It's playful, it's creative, and it frees your mind.
6. Describe everything around you. Wherever you are, describe what you see in English. For example, there's a blue notebook on the desk. The fan is spinning slowly. Outside, I see a little cat crossing the street. You're building vocabulary and speaking at the same time. Bonus, do this out loud for pronunciation practice. 7. Use English thinking prompts. Sometimes you want to speak but don't know what to say. Prompts help. Try these. What made you smile today? If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? Describe your favorite childhood memory. Say your answers out loud. Even better, record them. 8. Watch and repeat. Choose your favorite English video. Watch one short scene. Repeat every line. Try to copy the actor's tone and rhythm. Memorize key expressions. Say it with emotion. Movies and shows are great because they show real-life speaking patterns. Try sitcoms, romantic dramas, or even reality TV. 9. Practice with imaginary conversations. Imagine a situation. Ordering coffee. Going to a job interview. Meeting someone new. Now act it out. Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please? Sure. Small or large? Large, please, with almond milk. You're creating real-world speaking practice, all by yourself. 10. Make it a daily habit. The key to fluency is consistency. Create a schedule. Morning, talk to yourself about your day. Afternoon, shadow a podcast. Evening, record a reflection or watch and repeat. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start small, but start today. Mini vocabulary challenge. Here are 3 words from today's episode. Confident, feeling sure of yourself. Narrate, to describe or tell something. And routine, something you do regularly. Try making your own sentences now. Reflection prompt. What's one thing you'll do today to practice speaking English alone? Say it out loud, or write it down, or both. Final words from Daniel. You don't need a partner to speak great English. You don't need to be perfect. You just need the courage to begin. Practice alone, but never feel lonely, because every word you speak is bringing you closer to the world. Thanks for listening to Real Life English. I'm Daniel, and I believe in you. See you next time, and until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking.